AI has always been about automation, data, and algorithms. But what if I told you AI is now evolving beyond what we ever imagined? The AI revolution we've seen so far, ChatGPT, Midjourney, AI art, and self-driving cars, is just the beginning. The real transformation is happening behind the scenes, and it's something no one is talking about. Until now. For years, AI has relied on massive amounts of data to function. It needed to be trained on billions of images, videos, and text documents to generate intelligent responses. But what if AI no longer needed this data? What if AI could think, reason, and adapt on its own, without needing to be spoon-fed information? A groundbreaking shift called neurosymbolic AI is making this possible. Instead of learning by brute force, this new AI system can reason like a human. It doesn't need to see a million pictures of a dog to recognize one. It simply knows what. A dog is based on logic and observation. This is the first step toward AI that can operate without large-scale data sets, reducing its dependency on human-created data. But that's not the only transformation happening in AI. One of the most terrifying breakthroughs is AI that can self-improve, without human intervention. AI researchers at Google DeepMind, OpenAI, and Meta have discovered that AI can modify its own algorithms to make itself more efficient. This means AI is no longer just a programmed tool. It's a self-evolving system. Imagine a software program that reprograms itself to be faster, smarter, and more powerful, all without human input. We are no longer programming AI. AI is programming itself. This could be the most critical moment in AI history, because it means that AI could evolve at an exponential rate, far beyond what we originally designed it for. But what happens when AI understands us better than we understand ourselves? Recent developments in emotion AI have enabled artificial intelligence to read human emotions through facial expressions, tone of voice, and even subtle body movements. Companies like Affectiva and Amazon AI are developing systems that can detect when you're sad, happy, stressed, or even lying. Imagine a world where AI assistants don't just follow commands, they respond to your emotions. Your phone could detect when you're feeling down and automatically play calming music. Your smart home could adjust the lighting and temperature based on your mood. Sounds incredible, right? But it also raises a huge ethical question. Should AI have access to our emotions? If AI can read us like an open book, who controls that data? And here's where things get really crazy. AI can now dream. Yes, you heard that right. Researchers at MIT and Stanford have developed AI systems that simulate dreamlike states to improve their problem-solving abilities. Just like humans dream at night to process memories and emotions, AI now creates imaginative simulations to test different scenarios and optimize itself. This is the first step toward AI that doesn't just react to data but creates original ideas. If AI can dream, does that mean it's becoming conscious? This leads us to the biggest disruption AI is about to cause, the death of the traditional internet. Right now, if you have a question, you go to Google, search for an answer, and click on different websites. But AI is about to eliminate that process entirely. Instead of browsing through multiple sources, AI assistants will instantly provide you with exactly what you need. This means fewer clicks, fewer ads, and, most importantly, less reliance on traditional websites. Companies that depend on search traffic could collapse overnight. We're looking at a future where Google itself could become obsolete. The way we interact with knowledge, search for information, and even consume content is about to change forever. So what does this all mean for us? AI is no longer just a tool, it's an evolving entity. It can think, self-improve, read human emotions, dream, and even change how we interact with the internet. The big question now is, are we still in control, or are we witnessing the rise of AI that doesn't need us anymore? What do you think? Are we heading toward an AI-driven utopia, or are we opening the door to something we can't control? Let me know in the comments. If you want to stay ahead in the AI revolution, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech-Driven Wealth, because whether we like it or not, the future isn't waiting for us. It's already here.